Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that is transforming every aspect of our lives, from home security to personal assistance to smart switches. So be prepared to dive into a realm brimming with AI gadget concepts, where innovation knows no bounds. Vector AI Robot Companion. This small wonder is not your run-of-the-mill robot. No, it's a masterful fusion of AI brilliance and advanced robotics, ready to become your ultimate companion. With the power to recognize your face and listen to your voice, Vector 2.0 creates an instant connection that blurs the line between machine and friend. It can take photos, play games, and even dance. Yeah, it's that cool. You can also engage in delightful conversations, pose burning questions, and watch in awe as this intelligent companion provides you with insightful answers. It also has Alexa built in, so you can use it to control your smart home devices, check the weather, set timers, and more. Enabot Ebo X Family Robot. Meet a new guardian, companion, and playmate, all wrapped in a sleek spherical body that effortlessly glides through your home. Its 2 wheels and spherical form allow it to travel around your home with the help of sensors and V-SLAM technology. But the Enabot Ebo X is more than just a captivating sight. It has a Harman speaker, a 4-microphone array, and a 4K camera with stabilization. It also has the ability to recognize sound sources, such as crying and emergencies, and trigger app calls that connect you with your loved ones. But the fun doesn't stop there. Enabot Ebo X transforms your home into an oasis of entertainment, delighting your family with stories, games, and music. And let's not forget the power of Alexa, seamlessly integrated into Enabot Ebo X to allow you to control your smart home devices with a mere voice command. T-Thin Cast Capstone Smart Mirror. At first glance, it appears to be an elegant and refined mirror, seamlessly blending into your living space. But there's more than meets the eye. With a touch, the mirror transforms into a vibrant touchscreen display, granting you access to a world of your favorite content and apps. It contains a web browser, 4 built-in speakers, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. Also, your Android or iOS smartphone can be projected onto your mirror, so you can watch videos, download apps, listen to music, and more. It contains widgets that provide relevant information like the weather, news, and a calendar. And it adds a touch of magic to any space, seamlessly merging style and functionality. Sidekicks AI. They are fascinating holographic AI characters designed to assist and entertain humans. These interactive companions respond to voice, touch, and gestures, creating a captivating and immersive experience. With downloadable apps and games, the possibilities for entertainment and engagement are endless. Damon Hypersport, an all-electric sport bike. This electric sport bike has a top speed of 200 miles per hour, a range of 200 miles, and a maximum power of 200 horsepower. But speed is just the tip of the iceberg. It's a true chameleon, ready to adapt to your riding style and needs with its innovative shift feature that helps you seamlessly transition between commuter and sport riding modes. Safety also takes center stage with this electric sport bike, as it has co-pilot technology that employs cameras and sensors to warn you of potential road hazards. With the Damon Hypersport, you will be set to take a ride into a realm of pure electric ecstasy. Amazon Astro Alexa. Astro is a remarkable home robot designed to enhance your daily life. With its ability to move around your home, it can provide entertainment, provide reminders, and even check specific rooms or objects using its camera and microphone. Additionally, Astro's Alexa Together feature offers convenient functionalities such as reminders, shopping list management, activity alerts, and 24/7 urgent response for your loved ones. German Bionic Apogee Robotic Exoskeleton. This cutting-edge, wearable technology combines the power of robotics and artificial intelligence to provide unparalleled support, reduce fatigue, prevent injuries, enhance productivity, and transform the way workers perform physically demanding tasks. With a focus on the lower back and legs, this lightweight and ergonomic exoskeleton offers optimal assistance. It also incorporates dust and waterproof protection, along with smart connectivity for data analysis and optimization. Little Sophia by Hanson Robotics. This is an AI designed to captivate, educate, and inspire young minds. Little Sophia can teach computing, STEM, and AI principles, while also being able to walk, talk, sing, play games, and tell jokes. She's also capable of speech and face recognition, as well as emotion expression through her human-like visage. Little Sophia is more than a mere toy. She's a catalyst for imagination and a gateway to a future where innovation and creativity reign supreme. PowerVision PowerEgg Waterproof Drone. The PowerEgg X Wizard is a groundbreaking drone that offers exceptional versatility. It can be used as a handheld camera, an AI camera, or a waterproof drone. Its 4K 60fps camera has a 3-axis gimbal, a 6-kilometer transmission range, and sync voice technology, which allows audio from your phone or wireless headphones to be synced with the footage. This drone has AI face recognition, gesture control, and intelligent composition for effortless photography and videography. It is also waterproof and can fly through heavy rain and land on water. IGEN fitness nodes are wearables for lifting. These fitness nodes can monitor, evaluate, and enhance your performance. And with unparalleled precision, when these nodes are attached to your wrists, ankles, and chest, they capture your power output, velocity, range of motion, tempo, and even the subtle variations in your reps. But IGEN fitness nodes are more than just trackers. They become your personal coaches, providing real-time feedback that transforms your form and technique. Also, they can work with a smartphone app, enabling you to track your data, log your reps, and design training routines. Esavox Carbon Fiber Docking Station Speaker. The Esavox Carbon Fiber Docking Station Speaker is a masterpiece crafted from the finest carbon fiber and adorned with monocoque chassis that exudes elegance and sophistication. It's an authentic Lamborghini exhaust system with bass reflex pressure control. It has a start button from the Lamborghini Aventador, Bluetooth 4.0, an analog input, and a 6.1 virtual surround sound system that unlocks a world of limitless entertainment possibilities. B-Balance Mat Scale. This mat scale is an innovation that takes the mundane act of stepping onto a bath mat and transforms it into a journey of self-discovery and wellness. As you step onto the Balance Mat Scale, a world of possibilities unfolds. It delicately measures not only your weight, but also your body composition, posture, and balance. With the aid of a mobile app, it meticulously tracks your progress over time and provides coaching exercises for better posture and balance. Hyper Elite Robotic Pool Cleaner. This innovative cleaner eliminates the need for cords, providing hassle-free cleaning for your pool floors and walls. With its powerful motor, scrubbing brush, and large filter bag, it efficiently collects dirt and debris. With a battery life of 120 minutes and a quick charging time of 2 to 2.5 hours, the Hyper Elite Pro is your ultimate pool cleaning companion. VI Artificial Intelligence Personal Trainer. This AI personal trainer with a set of extraordinary biosensing earphones monitors your fitness data, including heart rate, calories burned, steps taken, and distance traveled, and provides you with comments, coaching, and encouragement in real time. The VI can also make customized training regimens for you based on your preferences, goals, and success. And it can use voice commands to respond to your questions and play music from Spotify or your phone. Huawei Watch Buds Smartwatch. The Huawei Watch Buds is a remarkable smartwatch that combines the functionality of a watch with a pair of hidden earbuds. With a sleek design of a 1.43-inch AMOLED color screen, stainless steel case, and a leather strap, it exudes elegance. This watch supports GPS, NFC, and Bluetooth, and offers various health and fitness features. The hidden earbuds are lightweight and offer features like AI face recognition and gesture control. And guess what? They can be used in any environment, and they are even waterproof. The Huawei Watch Buds is a true innovation that seamlessly integrates style, functionality, and versatility into one exceptional device. Which of these AI gadgets will you be adding to your cart? Let us know in the comments section. See you later!